Jack's in the background. Oh my god, are you ready? Right, this girl took this picture. And Jack's just there in the background. I'm going to tag him. Right, what up guys, Kitty Cat for Fit, and today, well tonight, Are you even recording? Tonight I'm just going to Dancing show monkey. you my dancing monkey wallpaper. That's copyright props. Oh well. I give my word, I just go. Do you like my new icons? You can see the contacts, the messages. The phones are normal because it won't work. Internet. You got gallery, Gmail, Minecraft PE, Play Store, BitTorrent, voice recorder, flashlight, clock are all the same. Settings, camera, WhatsApp, and YouTube. Obviously, I can't have any on these because it just won't let me. So I haven't done that. And yeah. So these are all my apps and everything. Just see the dancing monkey in the background. Like.
Minecraft, doesn't
it? Oh, look at him shake that booty. And then he starts singing. Like, come on, ladies and gentlemen. Cheer for me. Woohoo! That's it, boys. And now he's singing and dancing. Now he's just doing his sexy moves. Okay, so I'm going to play Minecraft now. In fact, I'll tune into the next video. That will be Minecraft. Thank you. Bye.
Boom.
I don't like it.